Rubik's Cube. The Rubik's Cube, a three-dimensional mechanical puzzle, was created by Hungarian architect Erno Rubik in 1974. Initially named Magic Cube, it was licensed to Ideal Toy Company in 1980 and became globally popular. A classic Rubik's Cube features 6 solid colors. Each face can rotate independently, mixing the colors. The cube's structure includes 26 movable pieces and can achieve over 43 quintillion possible combinations. Special editions were released for its 25th and 30th anniversaries, including versions made of wood and reflective materials. Variations include different levels, such as 4x4x4 and 5x5x5, with even larger cubes like the 10x10x10 introduced later. Competitions, regulated by the WCA, challenge solvers to complete the cube quickly, with the current record being 3.134 seconds by Max Park in 2023.